What we have made in the last year was to transfer our full knowledge of quality in automotive business to this AM sector.
Here in Nuremberg we do selective laser beam melting, which is a micro-welding process, which means that we really weld the powder together to obtain in the end a 3D printed part. So this part here is a classical die casting part, which was 3D printed due to fast availability. The tensile strength is higher, the ductility a little bit lower, but doing heat treatment process we obtain the same mechanical properties, or we are even better than the conventional process technologies.
We are able to build up the first prototypes with these machines, and then we can switch over very quick to serial production, make a very fast iteration, and in the end you will get the full amount of parts in your quality.
For me was the commercial business model the most attractive, and serving that business model without inventory stock in the pipeline, by printing on demand what is needed for our customers. That is for me the game changer when it comes to business models, and that attracted me to invest in that new technology.
Bosch took the lead, invested strategically, and are now demonstrating what reliable industrial scale production really looks like. We're proud to partner with Bosch in bringing this visionary approach to life.